Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue our fourth unit. So yesterday we were talking about role of occupational therapist, and next is role of physiotherapist. So here role of physiotherapist is physiotherapy is an allied healthcare profession which promotes the health and well-being of all. Here physiotherapy is an allied. It is associated healthcare profession which promotes the health and well-being of all. It aims to help maximize movement and functions when someone is affected by injury, illness. So it helps to maximize movement. It increases the movement and functions when someone is affected by injury or illness, developmental delay or other disability. So in these activities it helps to maximize the movement. Physiotherapists are autonomous practitioners. They are the autonomous practitioners, means self-governing practitioners, and they are responsible for assessment and interpretation of investigation. So they are responsible. The physiotherapists are responsible to assessment and interpretation, to give the detail of the investigations, to provide expert, holistic, physical rehabilitation. So holistic means in entirely holistic physical rehabilitation means renewable. Here holistic means entirely renewable things it provides to the experts. Next is here treatment in school minimizes absence from school for therapy and provide opportunity for the therapist to discuss and give appropriate advice for handling and supporting the growing and changing child in school environment. So here treatment in school, it minimizes the absence from the school, means absence of the people or absence of the children from the school for therapy, and provides the opportunity for the therapist to discuss and give appropriate advice. To opportunity to the therapist. By this therapist provides the appropriate advice for handling and supporting the growing and changing child in the school environment. And it ensures, means treatment ensures a multidisciplinary, holistic approach and ensures children are able to access the national curriculum. So here it ensures a multidisciplinary composed of several separate branches of study. So it ensures many things, holistic approach, and ensures children are able to access the national curriculum. Okay, and then many pediatric physiotherapists are based in or solely work within the school. They are many pediatrics or physiotherapists are based in solely only in schools, within schools. The therapist is concerned with the gross motor skill and mobility of child. So here what is gross motor skill? So this is the ability that allow the things in injury here, that allow people. So what is gross motor skill and mobility? Gross motor skill, abilities that allow people to do things that involves using large muscles. So that is the gross motor skill. So here the physiotherapist is concerned with the gross motor skill and mobility of a child. And in cases where there has been an obvious physical difficulty, the child will have been receiving support well before starting school. They can receive support before they start their school. Although physiotherapists are happy to give advice to teachers, the physiotherapists they advise the teachers referral must be done to the child's medical practitioner, and it is advisable to discuss concern with parent first, and then fundamental to the role of the physiotherapist, basic things to the role of physiotherapist is to work closely in partnership with the people. The physiotherapists, they work closely with the partnership with people and with disability and their families, careers to address their needs and improve outcomes. So they help in these things, they help in partnership with the people and people with the disability, with the disabled people and their families also. And to address, they tell their needs, about their needs and improve their outcomes. Many types of physical disability require initial rehabilitation as well as long-term therapy and support and services. Next role is the role of physical education teacher. So what is the role of physical education teacher in schools? So here you can see physical education teachers, commonly known as physical training instructor (PTI) or PE teachers, are responsible for the education of primary and secondary school students in physical activity and psychomotor learning. In physical activity, they are required. Physical education teachers are required in schools in primary and secondary schools. And the physical education class was once little more than an organized recess. Physical class is little more than the recess, organized recess in school. However, physical education teachers now engage students in much more than gameplay, and they engage the students in gameplays also. Recent developments have started the physical education curriculum towards the goal of overall wellness, and teachers now incorporate health and nutrition topics in their classes. So they increase the health and nutrition topics into their classes, into the classes of the students. And generally physical education teachers instruct the student in a variety of the physical activities. They instruct the teachers physical PE, they instruct the physical activities it is related to curriculum requirement. While teachers are typically allowed to create their own course syllabi, those outlines must prescribe to schools guidelines as well as the curriculum standards set by the governing bodies in state or region or country. When planning course outlines, physical education teacher include sports games and physical fitness teachings, techniques. So when planning course outlines, in addition to physical education teachers include sport games and physical fitness techniques. Growing number of institutions will also require teachers to include classroom instruction on general physical health and well-being, as well as proper nutrition practices. Many growing schools, institutions, they require. And after creating a lesson plan, physical education teachers, after creating lesson plans, a physical education teacher's responsibility to motivate the students. They also motivate the students to participate in prescribed activities, so that the student can participate in different activities which are prescribed in schools. Teachers then evaluate the students' performance, and then after that they evaluate the performance of the students attitude and level of the physical fitness. In many things they evaluate. These factors affect the student's grade, because these factors, all these things affect the student's grade, with attitude traditionally having a much greater weight than inherent physical ability. Teachers must be able to effectively evaluate these attributes. They evaluate in order to fairly grade their students, in order to they can give the fairly grade to the students in addition to daily or weekly grades, है ना? Students are evaluated in periodic tests and that gives the teachers a better picture of the students' overall health and level of athletic skill. Research has shown that physical education program can do a great deal to improve the lifestyle of children with special needs, and they can increase competency, gross motor skill, help to control obesity, improve self-esteem, means self-confidence, and social skills, encourage an active lifestyle, and maintain motivation in various areas.